Hello guys, this is Reese from Bommarito St. Peter's Volkswagen in St. Louis. Today I'm bringing you a 2023 Volkswagen ID.4 rear-wheel drive standard. This particular one is deep black pearl effect on the exterior with nutmeg interior. It has the 62 kilowatt battery, LED chamber headlights, LED turn signals and reverse lights, body colored mirrors, integrated turn signals, machine black and silver alloy wheels, an LED light bar across the back. It says ID.4 right here. It'll have a manual lift gate, park distance sensors front and rear. I'm going to go over some features up on the front end of this instead of the back end here. So this one has the scheduled maintenance, 2 years included. I believe there's going to be a third year included on this one. It also has speech and navigation, a 3-year subscription, so it'll have navigation, roadside assistance for 3 years, 36,000 miles. Extras on this one include $110 for a luggage net for the rear, $85 for a 30,000 mile prepaid maintenance, and then it's $1295 for destination, $40,485. This is the cheapest ID.4 we've gotten yet. So with this smaller battery, if you see right here, it says 62 kilowatt. It says 62 kilowatt right there. I'm trying to get the camera to pick it up. 62 kilowatt battery with SK on components. Let's take a look at the inside. There's a look at that kind of heathered gray door inset right there. It's cloth, piano black right here, child lock here, power locks. Then you also have power windows. You only have the 2 buttons here for 4 windows, so you have to touch rear to do the rear ones, touch or deactivate the rear to do the front ones, or you can have it tap it where it flashes and do all 4. Bottle and cup storage down here in the door. There's no stainless steel scuff plate or anything like that here. Completely manual seats, so you raise and lower the seat right here. This is a Southwest flight. It's no frills. Here's the seat back adjust right here. It's a heather gray like inset right here on the seat with nutmeg leatherette on the edge. It goes up the bolster here, behind the neck here, and then also on this headrest here, nutmeg leatherette here with a single contrast stitch, a black button there for adjusting, double contrast stitch on the arm pad right here. You do have storage in there. I'll get to that in a second, but here's a look at the back seats as well. And as we go ahead and climb on in here, so this one just came off the truck, so we haven't charged it yet. 25% there, 53 miles of range. But this is going to have a lesser range here. This is going to be right around more like 220, 230 miles of range instead of the 250. Automatic headlights is the same on this one, just like the others. It does not have the poor weather lights, but it does have automatic headlights here. And then you also have max defrost and rear defrost there. Your headlight the brights are adjusted over here on the stock. Now you do also get, I want to go ahead and put this in drive so we can get the steering wheel to move here. So you have drive, and you also have regenerative braking. That's the B mode. So the B mode is going to drive when you let off the accelerator. The brakes will immediately grab. You'll feel the car braking and slowing down and reclaiming that energy. I was able to get one of these down to about 3 to 2 miles an hour. It didn't come to a complete stop when I just let it do it, but I got it down to 3 miles an hour. The drive mode is going to drive just like a regular car. When you let off the accelerator, it's going to coast. You also have auto hold right there. So the auto hold is standard on the car now. You'd have capacitive touch on the steering wheel, just like you do on the other ID.4s. Your modes are right here. And then you also have view over here, volume right there, and then your Google and Siri functionality right there. It's piano black on the rest of the steering wheel here with the flat gray spokes. And then it's a leather wrap flat bottom steering wheel. I do not believe this one will come with a heated steering wheel. The shifter's the same up here on top. Twist towards the windshield for drive and regenerative braking. Neutral is a twist back, 1 click, and then twist back all the way for reverse. On the screen here, it's the same infotainment screen that you're going to get. Actually, it looks like it might be slightly smaller. I can't really tell. I'm seeing so many of these now, I don't know for sure. This is, like I said, this is the first one we've gotten of these. There's your infotainment stuff there. You do also have the climate control shortcut right here, just like you do in all of these infotainment setups. So you've got heated seats. You've got climate control here, or temperature control, where you can adjust here. You can also sync them up, turn on the heated seats there. They start on high, then medium, then low, then off on both sides here. No massage seats or anything like that in this one, because this is actually the budget one. You do also have the drop down menu here where you can change things here. You can also change it to a dark menu or the bright menu where it's all light stuff here. So you can swipe up here, X out of here. I'm going to show you that backup camera and twist it to reverse. You still get trajectory steering even in this one. So you have the wheel, you turn it left, you turn it right, the yellow line moves accordingly, the red line signifies where the hatch is, and also the bumper. The green line signifies straight back. You do also have this tire swing animation over here, your park distance sensors up there. Now park assist on this one here, it looks like you actually have park assist even on this one. So what's different about park assist on the EVs or on the IDs currently is it does it all. I say the gas, the tire, the gas, the gear, and the brake on the gas powered ones, but it's the accelerator, the brake, and the steering. It does it all, and also switching gears between reverse and forward. So it will do all that for you. I'm not going to test it out here in this video. That's not what this is for. But you do have the same little sill down here that is still not backlit. You can see they're showing up on camera, these little sensors right here, though. They're lighting up purple or kind of pink there. But you can swipe across right here for volume. And on the left, temperature control right there. There's the power button. You do also have the parking menu right here, climate control button here, hazards, your driver assist systems here. So on this one here, the driver assist systems are going to be travel assist, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, side assist, and then also dynamic road sign display. Actually, I'm surprised that this one has that. It doesn't have dynamic road sign. Oh, yeah, it does. It's over here. So you do have dynamic road sign display and emergency assist on this one. So you got all of those safety features as well. Over in the glove box, there's your manuals right there, tire warranties right there. There's also ambient lighting right here. It's lit up there. Let's see if it's on the car itself where you can change colors here. I'm going to go to vehicle, status. Let's see what comes up here. Interior. Vehicle, interior lighting. Yet you do not have changeable ambient lighting or customizable. It's just one color ambient light there. It looks like it's going to be white. Up here, brown leatherette, or kind of a softer touch up here with the stitch here. This flat silver finish right here below this guy. Vents down here and also over here and over there on that side as well. Bottle and cup storage there. A little more ambient light right there shining behind that piano black right there. The seat on the passenger side is also 100% manual. There's a loop right there to slide it forward and back. Over on the side here, you can raise and lower this seat and then also move it forward and back right there. Down here, wireless charging. The charge pad is right there. Two backlit USB-Cs right there. And your cup holders right here. They're the stadium seat style, where this one's higher than this one in the back. The key fob doesn't change. It's the same key fob for all the IDs. So it's this big guy right here. So it will change. I triggered the voice assistant, so it's waiting for me to say something here. I'll go ahead and turn that off. But there's your VW logo on the back. Storage inside of here, just like the other IDs, is nice and deep right there. Let's take a look at the back seats. And this is going to shut off, but I'm going to actually trick it and turn it back on here. Push the power button with me out. Now, the ID stitch or stencil is right there. You can kind of see that there. Let's take a look at the back seat. I went over the pricing already of this one, $40,485. There's a look at the wheels right there. Tinted glass on the back windows here. More of that heather gray or kind of a light gray cloth right here on the door inset. More piano black right here. And then the seats back here in the back. There's a pocket here. I'm wearing Spider-Man socks today. You have vents back here for the two rear vents there. You have a little storage cubby here. Two backlit USB-Cs right here. I have lots of leg room back here, so it's nice and comfortable. Pockets over here on this side as well. There's a look up at the instrument cluster there and the center console. Black headliner here with LED lighting. This has an auto dimming mirror, but it's just a regular mirror. It's not the home link. Capacitive touch dome lights up there. Car seat hookups right here and also right here. No fold down armrest in the middle, but an adjustable headrest on all 3 seats, trimmed out in brown leatherette there. So you have that there. A third seat in the middle here, but no car seat hookups there. Let's take a look at the hatch. Let's look at the wheels again there. Black accents here, no silver accents, and black roof rails. Back here in the back. Hydraulically assisted, so there's no button up here, but it does have a privacy cover right here. And here's that floor, the adjustable floor here. So luggage net right there. More storage here. Can Fix-It flat down there. There is no spare tire for these. So there's a luggage net hook over here, recessed trunk light there, and also over here on this side with a 12-volt charger port right there. This car will come with a 4-year, 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty on it from Volkswagen. 4 years, 50,000 miles, and includes, on this particular model, 3 years of included maintenance. Also, if you buy from me at Bommarito St. Peter's, we're going to give you an additional 3 years of included maintenance on this car. So you're going to get an additional 30,000 miles of included free maintenance on this car. On this car, being it's not a gas-powered car, it's going to be just fluid top-offs, tire rotations, and things of that nature. Also, on any new gas-powered car, remember we give you that 10-year, 200,000-mile nationwide engine and powertrain warranty free of charge. Of course, this car is not gas-powered, so it won't have either of those. So if you're interested in this car or another one like it, please give me a call. 636-290-4257. 636-290-4257. I'm on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Reese Sells Cars. Thanks a lot, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, have a great day.